Hi, Lisa. If you're still here. Okay, awesome. Always good to get something working, I guess. How's Saturn look on there? Okay, awesome. Saturn look okay? Yeah. Yeah, it looks really good. Oh, what was that though? My audio. Oh, I know what it is. On this computer? Probably. Yeah. Moans. We got moans. Seen a few just a minute ago. Probably Titan over there. First I thought maybe Rhea, but I'm pretty sure it looks like Titan. Looks great. Okay, awesome. Oh, it's where I can't get to it, Jeff. It's already way too far south for my telescope to see. Sorry, had to get a drink. But it's too far south for the telescope to be able to see it from the observatory. Titan all the way out there. And then Rhea and Calatus right by each other. And then Dion on the other side. Makes sense. I'll try to do a little bit of focus here. Oh, that is right by the ring. Nice. Sure is beautiful. Beautiful. Definitely is beautiful out there. Looks a little red, right? At least to me it appears to be a little red. Oh yeah, yeah, 100%. So true. Yeah, I kind of like a pinkish hue. That's kind of how it looks. If I can do anything here. Probably closer. At least on my screen, it looks a little bit closer. Try some more focus real quick. I don't know. Really can't tell it. Let me try to stack it. See what happens with it. It'll let me here. Oh yeah, it's way off. Audio still sounds okay. Jimmy? Ah, it's all good. I appreciate it. Yeah. Gotcha. There's 4 on YouTube, it looks like as well, from the analytics I see. And if you are over there on YouTube, really haven't streamed on YouTube and Twitch in quite a while, so just trying to make sure all the settings are correct and that the views look as they should. Check on the moons again. See how they look. Don't look too bad. Oh, okay, awesome. That is awesome. Yeah, I like the view of that. Getting to see the moon like that as well. It's one thing you really can't do too much on TikTok. We need a little bit more focus. See which way to go. Go past and then come back. Oh, look at that. I can see the other moon right next to the ring right now. Coming out from the ring. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was just saying. Yeah, that's so cool, huh? There we go. Should be able to see quite a bit of moons now. I can make out at least 4. Yeah, little baby dots. See if I can see how much more I need to focus here. See if that helped any. That is 2 moons. So we technically are seeing 5. Yeah, I got you. Just really hard to see. I might be able to see it a little bit. There's so much atmospheric disturbance. The turbulence going through, it's making it really hard to see much. Still a little off focus. Gonna go past it and come back again. Oh yeah, no, that's true. That is true. There we go. Seems to be pretty well focused. Yeah, the smoke seems to have calmed down quite a bit lately. Go the right way with the scope. Or what Neptune looks like. Should we go to Neptune too? Try for Neptune. Let's try to go to Neptune real quick. Let me set ourselves on Saturn properly. And slew over. There it is. It actually comes in here really nicely. Looks really good. At least it's coming through anyways. Gives us a little bit more brightness. Yeah, it's so tiny. It really is. Oh, now I can see the two moons next to each other there. Yeah. Maybe Neptune. It's gorgeous though. I truly do enjoy the colors of Neptune. Yeah, it looks really good though. I think it looks really good. What's up, man? How you doing, Astroguard? Thanks, Jenny. Appreciate that. Oh, no, man. No way. What area are you in tonight? Yeah, it happens. It happens, Jenny. Tighten's the one on the far left of the screen here. So we can pull it over a little more. Oh no, it's just yours right now. I was just on the other, trying another one as well, but from another device. Yeah, yours, the other one. What's up, Amber? How you doing? Where's the moon? Where is the moon? You still at work? Hey, Pedro. Always working. How much longer you got? It's over there. The moon. The moon is over there. Oh, I forget about that. That's so funny. That's super funny. Oh, no joke. Yeah, that'd be a lot of fun. Oh, okay, I got you. A little bit of focus spot. About ready for the snow yet, Ember? It has to be getting close for you, huh? Oh, that's nice. She basically just offered me a rock in the middle of the woods or something. Oh, I got you. I wouldn't make it with it yet. Just a few. Yeah, it's gonna get really cold here starting tomorrow. Nights like in the 40s. The swimming pool's done. Like swimming season is over. Kind of a bummer, honestly. I'm always excited for being able to swim. Always enjoy it. Oh, that's true. That's true. I'm not sure what I'm going to add this year. You know what's funny though? I actually did not take down the mega tree. This year I actually left it up. Apparently I have to change a setting for keyframe frequency. I don't know how to do that. Roman's right yard. I don't do laser lights, but I really should. That'd be a lot of fun. Like integrate laser lights. I always thought about a flamethrower. How wild would that be? Such a light blitter. It's LEDs. They're LEDs and only run them at 30%. Okay, so settings output. I wonder if I can do that right now to fix it. Settings output. No, I cannot. Something I'll have to do after. Well done. I'll remember. I'm leaving out all year in the elements. Nah, I mean they're LEDs. Even if it does, it's not really hard to fix most of it. Just takes a little bit of time and soldering. So that ain't too bad. It's such a light blitter, man. That actually is something I always worried about, but honestly, it's not too bad with the LEDs. Since they point mostly down or towards the road. I'm trying to take out wildlife now too. No, it's actually really cool. The flamethrowers are. It's really cool. That you can do like also bubble machines, so you can like frozen bubbles look pretty cool. You just have to find a way to keep the bubble machine and the solution warm. So that would be kind of cool too. Experiments. Classic, that's right. 100%. And I'm like, Amber, look, I can start flames too. Look at this. Huh? I don't even need a stick. You love bubbles? Yeah. Hey, how's it going? Neptune? Yeah, we can go Neptune. Let me center us up real quick. We'll go right to Neptune. Yeah, I haven't said that in a while. Alright, let me give us enough light though. Be able to see Neptune coming in. Baby Neptune out there. Pretty cool, huh? Kids wouldn't want to run around the yard. Yeah. Yeah, it's probably true. Could be a little dangerous. I got like a big old ditch out front too. That could be a little dangerous. Have to do it like closer to like the street or something. Really turn it on when someone pulls up and turns up their music really loud. That would do it. Missouri. I'm over in Missouri. Near Kansas City. I be safe. Be safe, Emma. Here's some moons around Saturn here as well. You can see 5 of them in the view. Titan's the one on the far left. No, not our moon. It's a new moon right now. But you can see 5 moons right here. Hey, I see you, Mama. How you doing? There haven't been any moonlight nights for me. Yeah, we're in a new moon right now. Currently new moon, which means the moon's out really close to the sun. Comes out in the daytime right now. But over the next few days, start watching. As the sun sets, you'll start to see that little sliver of our beautiful moon. Where are you at? Hey, Cece. I seen Susan also. What's up, Susan? Love the view? Yeah. Really beautiful view right now. We just did Neptune. We can go back to Neptune if you want. Right here we can see 5 moons. Titan's the one on the far left. If I can go the right way. There you go. You can see Titan coming in on the far left there. I still ain't going the right way. Oh, it's always great to see you. I see any of these other comments stuff on the screen. Not in the chat. Yeah. Just the YouTube, because there's, yeah, now you're on the YouTube side, so you'll see the YouTube, but YouTube and Twitch are the only ones that show up in the view that you see on YouTube and Twitch. And then I got a LinkedIn, or not LinkedIn, darn, the other one. one of the other ones. And I see CC over here, and I see Susan. But they should jump on Twitch side too. If you guys want, you can jump over to Twitch. It's twitch.tv/seethiskies. Jimmy and Amber and Azar over here on the other side. Makes it so confusing right now. Way too many different chats. Figure out actually what works and what doesn't. Titan, yeah, and Claudius and Tethius right by the rings, and Dion on the other side. Very nice. See if we can get them coming just a little bit more. So you named them, I guess. Should be able to see them. Okay, awesome, yeah. Don't have Twitch yet? You gotta get it, CC. You definitely should get it. See if we can take over a gaming platform. Get Science taking over a gaming platform. You see Alpha there? Yeah, I do too. Yeah, I can see the little one right next to my name, Claudius. The little one there. Barely see it though, but it's there. Really cool. There's a 5th one. So there's 2. If you look on the left, you see one next to the ring, but then the next set is double. There's 2 moons next to that one. See if I can get us a little bit more light. Maybe you can see it on the side too. That's a little one, though. Just a little one there. Jenny said, "Hi, Cece. Hi, Susan." We can make Saturn look a little better now. See how wild the atmosphere is? It's a little wild. Guess who I just seen sneak in over here, Jenny? Cece said hi. I better not tell you. You probably already know. You probably already know who snuck in. Yeah, Jenny's over on YouTube and Twitch. We get some of the moons again. You can't see anyone? Oh, I seen the guy starts with Astro and then the next letter is J. Sneak in on me. You're not alone anymore. There you go. It's so wild. Like I don't see those coming up like on my side inside the YouTube chat. But I got two different YouTubes going. One's vertical and one's horizontal. That may be causing the issue. Or maybe they didn't even update. I don't know. A refresh maybe. Yeah, no, I don't see that chat at all. I don't even see yours. I'm on the the portrait one. So maybe you're on the other side. Let me see if I can see the other one too. Oh yeah, that's where you guys are. On the widescreen one. Take a look around real quick here. Not too terribly much is visible without switching out equipment completely. Be kind of tough to get more, to be honest. Like for example, you got Andromeda, but it obviously don't show up well in this telescope. The Helix Nebula. It's a planetary nebula. I think it's already, yeah, it's getting ready to go behind trees. And then in this area, there's just like some small galaxies here and there. It looks like M33 coming up. Yeah, and some just other random small galaxies for the most part. Hey, Desi. I mean, we could though. I could zoom out on the camera and we could try to explore out there somewhere if you want. You can always do that. Maybe a little bit more focused though. Looks pretty good. Desi, how are you? We're checking out Saturn all night. I know, it's so stunning. Always gorgeous. I want to try to stack it now. It looks like it's a little better. Let's try to stack it. See how the stack goes. Too bad. Won't tell it does that, the color shifting. Did look good at one point. Okay, CC, sounds good. Hey, Desi. Oh, yeah. Good, how are you doing? Doing well, doing well. Child CC needs to jump over here as well. Get her over here and, need Susan as well. Get Susan and Cece to jump in with us over here. That'd be awesome. Want to see some moons? Should we get some moons? Saturn. Gorgeous Saturn too. There's some moons around Saturn as well. Should be about 5 of them here. I'll slow down the telescope controls. Seems to go a little too fast. How are you tonight, Desi? How's everything going? And Hein, hey, how are you? Good. I sent you a message on Discord a bit ago. I didn't know if you got it or not. You're probably too busy watching that singer or whatever he is. I know how you are now. In here and on YouTube. Man, going for it tonight.
Good answer, not singer. Oh, okay. I got you. Got a huge delay on here between your audio and my comments. Weird. I know. I agree. I'm not sure if there's any settings I can change for that though. I'll have to look around. Look around and see if there is any. I'll definitely do that. No, I have not yet, Desi. I haven't yet. I need to though. Hey, Nada. How are you, Nada? You don't keep bothering me about it. Maybe I should. Maybe I should learn what Catan is. I'll definitely have to check it out. Beautiful Saturn, yes. Absolutely. I should? Yeah. I'll definitely check it out. Oh, I gotcha. You play it too, huh, Jenny? Desi's always trying to convince me to play. Excited? Awesome. The all sky camera looks really good right now too. The skies are so much better lately. Like what? Catan. I thought that's what you meant. Catan. I think it's called Catan. Maybe it's Catan. I don't know. Something wild. Might be Catan. Yeah, absolutely, CC. Desi. Thanks, Desi. Thank you. Appreciate that. You don't have that? Yeah, I've never heard of it. Like, it's on Parks and Recs, I guess. It's a game over on Parks and Recs. I'll have to check it out. Thanks, CC. Nada, how are you? Nada's on the other side. Maybe we gotta convince her to come to this side too, huh? Get Jenny to play as well. That'd be kind of fun. I got her to get Occupy Mars, so we're gonna have to play some Occupy Mars co-op here soon. Be a lot of fun. Good, nice, good. That is awesome.
Good. I'm good. I am good. Not good on IG yet. Nah, you gotta come to Twitch side. Gotta jump over with us here. See if I can even type it in. Man, it's so small here. Let's see if I can do that. There we go. Yeah, but cool, yeah. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, everyone come to Twitch side. There we go. Twitch or YouTube. At least be in the same conversation. I should add a overlay of the all-sky camera too, huh? I should do that at some point. Jenny said hello, Nada. Okay, we'll try that. Yes, Nada. I think I messed up the live over there. It says reconnecting. I messed up about 3 or 4 things tonight, Jenny. So many things that you can mess up. I've done. You got sky puffs? You got the clouds? No way. Horrible. Horrible. We got clear skies tonight. Finally got some beautiful clear skies. Thanks. It does look really good. Looks really good. We got Saturn, we got some moons here as well. See if we can pull them in again. And we got Neptune. We were bouncing across to Neptune as well. I think some of the moons that pop in for us. Titan's the one on the far left. Or the bottom, depends, I guess, on which view you're seeing. Oh, no way. That's super cool. Absolutely love the Milky Way. Always love the Milky Way. I haven't even looked outside tonight. I just expect it to be all bad. That kind of the thought. If I look, there'll be clouds. If I don't look, I just won't know. That's actually kind of bad. Yeah, I love seeing the Milky Way. Very beautiful. Yeah. It's about how that works. How come mine on TikTok got banned? My TikTok days are behind me now. Tried out other platforms. I think it's a little interesting to jump on a few other platforms, see how things go. Skies are clear now. Maybe I should get set up for Jupiter. Man, Jupiter don't come up until like crazy. What time is it? Like 3:40 or something? Oh, is it? Okay, Nana. I got you. Yeah. You know, look at the atmospheric turbulence right now. You can just see it screaming through. Oh no, it's all good. It's just people reporting all just worried about whatever. I don't know. You know, it doesn't matter. Soon enough, TikTok will probably be no longer here. So exploring other avenues, I think it's great. It's a bummer, but I think exploring other avenues is a good way to do it. Right now, we're also live over at Twitch and YouTube as well. If you want to check that out, twitch.tv/seetheskies, where a lot of them are. YouTube is See the Skies live, I think. There's some of them over there as well. Hey Drew, what up, man? Yeah, there's definitely other platforms to take advantage of. Meet new people for sure. Plus, on top of that, like, honestly, the view on Twitch and YouTube look really good. I think they look really good. It's pretty much about what I see on my side too. So it's coming in really nice. Don't have all the downgraded video quality. We joined Neptune when they released the app platform. I thought about it. I do have my name assigned with them. I thought about it. I was gonna do the beta with them. I did get the code to join them, but I never did actually join it and try it. But I thought about Neptune. I think it'd be kind of cool. See if I can set that. What? Yeah. I think it'd be kind of cool. See how other platforms do perform.
Got a 2.4 millimeter lens. Want to see what it does on Saturn. What's your focal length? 2.4 millimeters, pretty wild. Yeah, nada. You'll get it. You'll get the hang. It's not bad. Twitch is really nice too. You better get used to it. If they ever ban TikTok, then at least now you have a way to hang out with us. Jenny the Bomb, Diggity, CC, all the great people. And somewhere around here, I think, is Desi. Yeah, YouTube is slower to grow, but the viewers are better. It's nice for community, right? To build a community. That's one of the things. Like right now, I see 7 viewers. On TikTok, we would be somewhere around 100, 200 at this point. But at the end of the day, like no one said flat Earth so far. That's always a good sign. But I think the community building, I think, is the thing I'm excited about. Oh, that'd be awesome, Jenny. Yeah, that'd be super awesome. I mean, it does seem like a decent platform. Yeah, we obviously make decent money on TikTok side, but even then, like they threw it down to like that 40%, and then you got to be live all the time to get it to go up in percentage. It's pretty wild. The expectations they have on you when you can't really control, especially if you do these type of lives like astronomy live. How do you actually control? Just have done so yet, yeah. Oh, sorry, Nada. We need a way that I can translate to Russian on that, huh? Like an automatic translation to Russian. Yeah, no random scrolling through the lives, yeah. Yeah, 100%. I think that's a big thing for sure. Okay, sounds good. ACC. Hola. How's it look over there? Oh, will it really? That'd be awesome if you can make it automatically translate. That'd be super cool. Hmm. Hola, CC. Ouch. Dropping stuff. Super chat. So I can read their Japanese. Ah, the Japanese comments. That's so funny. I've never actually paid attention to the chat when I go to the Subaru stream. I probably should, huh? I really probably should. I bet there's a great conversation going on in there.
So there's too many things you can do on here. Yeah, that's funny. Little off focus. CC, thank you, CC. Dobbs, appreciate it. Probably should have put in the planetary camera. Dobbs, what eyepiece did you get? The 2.4 millimeter? Duh. From your phone. The astronomers in the telescope are usually in the chat. Ah, okay. I got you. I got you. I know one planetary scientist that operates a telescope out in the same area. Yeah, everyone's over on the YouTube side, does he? Everybody's on the other side. 2.4 millimeter for the top 10. Okay, I got you. I got you. It's gonna be wild. You got a zoomable yet or no? I think zoomable eyepieces are kind of my favorite go-to for sure. Always been my favorite to go to is a zoomable. A little bit of focus maybe. See if we can keep from messing it up. Let me actually turn off center as well. I think my the scent blaster in here, I think it's empty, but it still tries hard. Use the phone, but that may be the next purchase. Yeah, for sure. Like I think even the SV Bonnie's is actually really nice. So I got that one, and I got a dang, what's it called? Oh, I got you, Lisa. I appreciate that. Sorry, I didn't see your chat over there. Chasing the I like 10. 10's a good dude. Yeah, 10's a good dude. Thank you, Nada. You love your zoom eyepiece. Oh, you got the 7 through 21 zoom. Yeah, I really like that eyepiece. I think it's a really good one. I really think it's a good one. Between that and I cannot think of my other one. The other one's really expensive though. The other one is like a $450. It's a Hyperion Mark IV. That's what I got. It's like $450, and honestly, the SV Bonnie one I think is a much better option. Oh yeah, I remember what I was doing. I was trying to focus, wasn't I? That's what I was trying to do. Meant to focus and then I fell asleep. Go back a little bit now.
Getting closer. Okay, yeah, that'd be cool. The name don't pop up for you, does he? Gotta grab the right mouse here. Don't know how to work it. Yeah, I couldn't even tell you. If you were to ask me, I honestly don't even know. I honestly don't even know. I've never been a big social media person, to be honest. The reason I started even on TikTok is because the lady had a miscarriage. And it was the way of me getting past the just the thoughts at night, right? That's when this bag is crazy. Park last night, 350 plus visitors. Oh, that is crazy. That is crazy. That is wild. Yeah, that is super wild. Nothing beats, though, getting to go out and enjoy dark skies, right? The turbulence is really wild right now out there. I know. I didn't know if that helps with the @ sign or not. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, that's really cool. Yeah, that's really cool. That is actually really cool. That is really cool. Honestly, that's something to be proud of. I think I'm gonna track Saturn. Use the guiding camera and track it and see if I can keep from having to move it so much. I think I need to work on my polar alignment. Yeah, but I'll keep it. Gotcha. I wasn't sure if that was why. Maybe it was because she's a mod. I thought maybe that was the reason. I don't know. Seemed like a good reason. Oh yeah, 100%. Oh, that's funny. You can call me Desi, says Desi. I don't know, change your name. Make it easier so people know who you are.
Not always the worst idea, is it? Don't ask me how to do that though, because I don't even know. No clue. No one know who I am. I know. Just the profile picture, I think. The only thing that gives it away. And of course, I knew your name before that, but yeah, it's really funny. Yeah, yeah, it makes a lot of sense. Desi may not want to be found though. She's like, I'm hiding. I don't want no one to find me. We're all calling her out by Desi. Her name Desi. Now everyone knows. Know who else we need to find? I'm not sure if he ever added my TikTok. Now I can't think of his name. The dude from New Mexico. I'm trying to think of his name. Face blue smile. Wide eyes. Face blue wide eyes. Oh, I know. And my nails up. That's funny. Yeah, that's super funny. You know, there's experiences like that, for example, that most men actually never learn, right? What it's like to type with like longer fingernails, for example. It seems very complicated, to be honest. Everything seems a lot more complicated. Alright, welcome back. Everything does seem a lot more complicated. Um, if you were to have long fingernails. Should we go look at something like M33 or any galaxies or anything? I don't have any flat frames taken, but it'd be kind of fun. Oh, that's crazy cool. Yeah. Kids are so good with computers now. I thought I was good with computers growing up, but man, my little dude just like makes me feel like I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see how he types long nails. Get a lot of nose when I put my contacts in. Ooh, and wait, it's way too hard. Yeah, I could see that being a problem. That's what I'm saying. It seems very complicated, but I get it too. Want to see galaxies? We could. Let's see if we can zoom out on the camera here. Probably look better if I went and took flat frames. Let's see what we can do. See baby Saturn there. Saturn's just a baby in this camera. Alright, let's go to maybe M33. Drop the guy in here. Just flew over. All here for the free ride. Wee! Man, I haven't said wee while slowing in so long. It's been forever. Alright, let me grab some light. See what we can see. We got some stars. We'll reset our coloring here too. It's been forever since I've said wee. So flying through the sky. Okay. So zoom out on my side here. No plate solving. No long nails for me. Allergic to the nail chemicals, really? Elliot can type about 80 words per minute, maybe more. And he's gone from coding to music editing. Dude, that is crazy awesome. That is crazy awesome. Alright, let's try it here. Probably just do like a low gain for now. We'll try to live stack it. Got guiding, looks like it's on. Try that. And let's go for it. Get the glue on ones from Walgreens. Oh, I gotcha. Aren't there any like more of like a natural paste that you can use for something like that? Maybe not. So Triangle's pretty cool. I definitely like this one here. Triangle Galaxy. This is one of the few galaxies that we know of that doesn't have a black hole at its core. It's in all honor classes too. Oh man. Gotta get high school credits. No way, that's crazy cool. What is going through the screen? That's pretty wild. Now I messed up the view. There we go. It's starting to come through. Let's see if I can do some calibrations here. Oh, that's horrible. That actually messes up my HDMI to USB for some reason. I don't know why. Let's figure that out for sure. Here it comes. Flat frames would definitely help at this point. Plus you enjoy the fingertip freedom for typing. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, it seems overcomplicated having really long nails. That doesn't look right on there. Really? A lot more scratchy or something, maybe? I should definitely do my flat frames, huh? Oh, it's coming out pretty cool on TV now. Good. So it looks better on phone. That makes sense. Comments, gotta collimate. Yeah. Always having to collimate. That is a thing. Ooh, I forgot to subtract darks. Let's do that. And then we could try one of my flats from the other day. I know it's not going to be great, but it could. Let's see if I can find a decent one. Should help a little bit, if nothing else. Backspace, my friend. That's a good point. There's always a backspace. Very good point. All right, here it comes. Looks a little better. See what we can do. There we go. Let it stack a few and see how it looks. To me, this triangle always kind of looks a little crazy. I guess the best way to say it. A little unorganized. It is pretty. Yeah, it's definitely pretty. Oh, you know what? Do I have... I do. That makes sense. That's why I was getting really wild earlier. Let me turn that off. Then we can stretch it properly. Make it look a little better. Now it should come in a little better. Then I could probably do a color calibration. See if that works. Yeah. Collimation done. Oh, nice. Use a laser collimator on the knob cylinder. So if I remember right, let me find my mouse. So like right here, I'm trying to remember off the top of my head. I think this is the largest star forming region that we know of. So this is a stellar nursery in the triangle, and I think this is the large one if I remember right. In the knowledge that we have of the observable universe. Misses, yeah. Yeah, honestly, yeah. Got an aperture to comment. Okay, I got you. After try just moving here out of house several years later. These are not that great though. Yeah, that's true. For sure. Hey, Sleepy. Missed that part of the combo. Oh, I get it. No, I get it. I definitely get it. Look at that from inside the galaxy. Oh, wouldn't it be? Yeah, that'd be super crazy. Imagine being like on that outer arm. Like seeing Orion, but just massive. Yeah, it'd be super cool. That'd be really awesome. You try to clean up the colors. Still a little greenish though. Usually that greenish, and the way the cameras work is green is double the amount of either red or blue. And so you tend to get a lot of green out of it. And that's whenever we get like some smoke coming through, obviously clouds, then you pick up a lot more of that green channel than you do the red and blue channel. Don't see any smoke in the sky right now though. Probably the best I can get to look. Yeah, but I agree. I bet it would look so amazing having that in the sky. That'd be so cool. I'm bringing a little bit more light here. We could go look at the core of Andromeda. We would literally be looking at the core of Andromeda. And there's some really small planetary nebulas around as well. On the outside region of the galaxy. Like we're in the Milky Way too. Yeah, around the outer edge. But you gotta wait for barrel to equalize temperature. Yeah. I get that. I think that's one reason why I don't use a lot of Newtonian style telescopes. It's always the idea of having to always collimate, which you don't obviously don't have to. It depends on what you're doing, but should we try the core of Andromeda? Should we try? There's a few. There's a few planetary nebula that are out here. There's some that are really, really small, obviously, like, for example, Saturn Nebula. That's a planetary nebula. It's really small for this camera. Kind of swinging around the view here. See what else we got. The only time it gets easier. Call me. Core view would be nice. Yeah, we can try core. Yeah, that makes sense though. I'm not a fan of collimate. Obviously, with the SCT, you got to collimate as well. But I just use a try a try, 'Try, 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 '
Okay, let's see what we can do here. Speed up the camera. Get us some more light. Quite a bit more light. Go to the core. Just seen it. Let me actually play solve it though. Is your Dobsonian on a go-to mount or no? Alright, let's try to stack it. Manually. Okay. That's a nice thing about Dobsonian though. The mounts are very, very, very awesome for when you gotta have a manual mount. I prefer a Dobsonian over even an actorial manual mount. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Star hopping's amazing. Remember doing a lot of star hopping. Alright, here comes a crazy mess anyways. Should be able to see the dust lanes really nice though. Get some of the light coming through. See some of the dust lanes that come through on the edge of Andromeda here. Yeah, it's not too bad. Not too bad. Really high gain though for doing Andromeda, obviously. The core gets blown way too out, or too much blown out, I should say. But it does look really good. Definitely chasing, but plus size, no need for battery or electricity. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, that makes sense. Always used to have to drag extension cords out in the yard. When I was on TikTok, obviously, whenever I would take the telescope out in the yard, just always such a thing. Taking out extension cords, everything that you got to take with you, and then pick it all up afterwards. Yeah, without power, it's definitely a lot more simple. I wonder what they see looking back at us from there. They're probably looking at Triangle, to be honest. They're probably looking over at Triangle. Or even some of the other ones over here. 101 or something like that. Probably thinking, yeah, there's Triangle. We took away their core. We got that black hole. Probably exactly what they're thinking up there. Yeah, extra trip. Yeah. That's horrible. We're close to one of them, so we fascinate them like they fascinate us. But yeah, so we're not actually the closest one, obviously. Like there, so it's the ninth distant object, interstellar object for us. That's the closest large object, obviously. So and vice versa, they got a few others that are closer, just not large. Yeah, I would definitely be looking at triangle and fuzz in that area. Yeah, 100%. I definitely would. I don't know. I mean, obviously, we try to map out the Milky Way, especially with like Ice Cube, Ice Cube sets. Um, I don't know. I'm sure we have a very beautiful galaxy, but Andromeda has everything that looks pretty wild. Well, what is crazy about Andromeda? Obviously, we don't see a lot of um, star nurseries in Andromeda. We don't see like all those different large bright areas of stellar nurseries or supernovas that we tend to see in other galaxies, especially like in starburst type galaxies. It kind of makes you wonder, would we be a starburst galaxy if we were able to get out there and look back at the galaxy? Would we be classified as a starburst galaxy or not? Yeah, it definitely does. I mean, that's a valid point. It's a very valid point. Though, if I guess if you were to take mosaic type photos with a little bit of closer range. Hey, Luna's local. What's up, buddy? How you doing, man? Long time no see, bud. Love to see what it looks like from far. Oh yeah, 100%. Absolutely, I would love to. I would love to. How you doing, Luna? Looks like you guys are all on YouTube. There's no one on the Twitch side now. There were a few people on Twitch, and now it's like everybody's on the YouTube side. YouTube took over. Is that where the focus should be? Are you still on the Twitch side? Oh. Maybe it's just like not active or something. They didn't count it. Oh, okay. I got you. That makes sense. The audio sound better over there. This is the side to be on. Yeah. Clearly. Clearly. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. It's kind of wild. When you guys were talking to CC, could you see CC's chat or no? Or did you only see it on the screen? Dude, miss you too, man. It's been a long time. Oh, it's ours down the screen. Okay, that makes sense. Then there's like a vertical, and then there's the normal horizontal YouTube that's being pushed out, and she was on the vertical side. That makes sense, though. Yeah, that's basically the core of Andromeda. It's a very stunning view, but I prefer the wide field view, of course, of Andromeda. Get all the rest of the details, obviously. Still beautiful, though. Ton going on in there. Should we hit Saturn back up or no? Should we do something else? Anything clipped to the knob? Oh, okay. Just speed up temp equalization. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Do you keep one hooked up even when you're using it or no? Your pilot has the cast. Happy Black Moon, there we go. I'm okay with do something else. Like what though? What do you want to do? Can you see Jupe yet? No, not yet. Not yet. Unfortunately, not yet. My view is, let me see if I can pull this over on the screen. Here's my view. What I can see right now. This is the all-sky camera, and it kind of just shows. So you can see like Saturn, Neptune here. And of course Jupiter should be out in this direction, general direction out here. Oh, too much vibration for, okay, I got you. I know some people like to keep their Dobsonians cooled, so I wasn't sure. You got a clue what you want to go to? Let's see something real quick. Let me check for something. Let me see if this object is even close up yet. High enough anyways. I don't know. So I was looking for the Heart and Soul Nebula. That's the one I was technically looking for. There's a really nice bright region in the Heart and Soul Nebula. There's a really nice area also inside the Soul Nebula itself that has a dust cone in it, which is just really cool to see. Let me grab it real quick here. Check even this one. Could be kind of fun. Let's see if I can. Skeeter's getting you. We're about to the end of Skeeter season, though. Just about there. Let's try it. It's on the other side of this
the pier, but we can jump over. See what happens here. Turn off the live stack. Speed up the camera. Give us a little bit more light as we swing around. This one takes just a bit to capture, but it's really beautiful. Peach cobbler, what? The Sonic Eyes. What did I miss out on? I missed out on a great conversation, it sounds like. Oh, pizza iced tea. Now I'm getting it. There we go. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Winter's crispy views and no bugs. Yeah, I agree. Hopefully this winter stays clear. This has been a really hard year. Let's C11. Using C11 tonight. Four seconds here. Oh, turn off the histogram stretch. There we go. Here comes the bubble. This will be the bubble nebula here coming through. After a few photos here, it'll really kind of start popping a little better. Alright, see if we can stretch it a little more. Crazy amount of blue right now. Can y'all see the bubble coming through? Can't tell how well it's shown up. It does look really cool, huh? Oh no. Yeah. That's one thing too, I guess. Yeah, you travel with your Dobsonian in the car, and the amount of banging around, obviously. That would make me nervous. Honestly, that would make me really nervous. You seen this one before? Some night I'll actually go for it and process the photo. That's a really beautiful target. Dang. Didn't mean to laugh at the idea that it's way out of collimation, but the way you actually worded it. This ain't TikTok. I don't know if you can actually say those words or not here, though, to be honest. I honestly don't know. I know on the Twitch side, they got like no care about anything. So it's Sarah snacks and all that stuff. I'll eat that now. Pizza rolls, right? You go for the pizza rolls? Chocolate covered pretzels. There you go.
Okay. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, no, I got you 100%. That makes sense. The bubble looks like it's coming in really nice right now. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's stunning. For only 10 minutes of data, this is really gorgeous. It really is. I'll just send it to Josh, let him process it, huh? Just means I need to let it sit here for a while because obviously we're not going to have great nights like tonight. Tonight definitely appears to be a decent night to be out. $58 here, by the way. $58. It's coming for you next, Dobbs. This cold weather's coming fast. Oh, really? Yeah, I'll see what I can send him then. Oh, I got you. Yeah, I got you. We can get a little bit more data here for sure. It's at 13 minutes now.
I see Pleiades are starting to pop up over the tree. My name? What you mean? Honestly, I'm not sure what you mean. Oh, we're taking photos right now. This is long exposure. This is roughly about 16 minutes worth of long exposure photos there. 1 minute each of the same photo. It's just stacking them on top of each other so we can get a decent look. And this is going to be the bubble nebula that we're looking at here. We'll probably go to Saturn here shortly, though. Go and take a look again at Saturn here shortly, but just a beautiful view. Getting to see something like this that's not an everyday object to be able to get to see. The reason we do long exposure is because of how faint it is or how dim this object is. Yeah, it's truly stunning. Really is. I'll give it about 2 more minutes. 20 minutes, pretty good. Be good enough, I think, for Josh to do a little editing with, and then we'll go back to Saturn after that. Yeah, I guess anything would be better right now, huh? Yeah, in the USA. All right, roughly 45 more seconds and we'll
Get a nice 20-minute photo out of this. There we go. See if I can correct the colors one more time for us. Kind of just see it there. That's beauty. Really gorgeous. Alright, let me save it. Alright. Clear it out. We'll go back to Saturn now. Let me speed up the camera. Give us a little bit of brightness. See? There we go. Disable guiding. And background select Saturn. And 3, 2, 1, we on our way. Send out our Discord. Yeah, I will for sure. I definitely will. I'll probably do it in the morning. If I don't remember it though, remind me. But I should be able to remember that. I kind of want to try to process it too. It looked like a really nice view. Looked really nice. Let us settle for a second here, and then we'll play solve and get to Saturn. Get some more light. Oh, there's a satellite coming through. Let's see if it shows up in your guys' view too. I don't know. Oh, there it is, right there. That's actually probably stationary. That's probably a stationary satellite, the short distance that we're seeing. Okay. What side of the pier does it think it's on? That's wild. Try it one more time here. Let me check something. It should be on the other side of the pier, but it's giving me some kind of weird issue, so give me just a minute here. See what it's doing. Okay, it's on the right side. It is just being kind of tricky. There we go. I think it got it that time. Yeah, there we go. Let me try to get zoomed in here too. A little better. My mouse right there. Okay, and then let's spot Saturn. Right about there. Can barely see it on my screen. There we go. Now we got Saturn. See how the moons look. You turn off that. It looks like it's a little bit red. Maybe zoom in a little bit more. Oh, it gets so distorted though, don't it? Should put in the planetary camera at this point. Kitty in the box. That's funny. Let's see if we can do planetary stacking or not. Almost. I may respond to this real quick. Okay. How's the view? Can we pull it down a little better? Find the moons real quick. Few of them. I think the other moon is to the east here. Hold up now. Now we're on the other side of the pier. It's going to be on the opposite side. There it is. There it is. Crispy. Looks really good.
100%. 100%. Nada's trying to get help with trying to get her her S50 to work through TikTok. Poor Nada. Now I'm having to translate everything. She's such a nice person, honestly. That is such a nice person. Very respectable attitude that she has. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Adore her attitude, 100%. Yeah, very good nature, yeah. Yeah, never seen her get angry at anybody. Her lives were a lot of fun too, going in there. I don't know if it's just because I tried to like get her all confused or what it was, but it was always a lot of fun going into her lives. Let's see how long the delay is on TikTok. Watching one of my lives, I just moved the telescope. Wow, it's probably like 30-second delay. Delays because over using network. To figure it out. She always makes a point to try and translate. Yeah, to English in her lives when she doesn't have to. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, 100%. I'm even surprised Desi's still awake tonight. It's the longest I've seen Desi stay awake in a long time. What we don't tell her is we only play Katana after 3 o'clock in the morning. Or to begin translate Russian, or translate into Russian for her on my list. So she's way ahead of the game. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, that's true.
All I can remember is da, which is yes, net, which is like no. Um, I hear you. um, I can't remember very much more. Da and yet. She does stay up late for, yeah, for real. It's been a long time though since I've seen Desi awake this late at night. That's all you know too, yeah. And clouds. I know how to say clouds. Nyadas. That's my definition for clouds, I guess, in Russian. Yeah, it's definitely been a while. Even for me, like staying awake this late for me is a challenge now. I'm already tired to be honest. Like I'm exhausted. Even if I had pizza, I would skip it and just go to bed. That kind of tired. She missed us, yeah, 100%. Yeah. She's probably watching that guy dancing. She almost forgot about us, though. I don't even remember the guy's name, but she almost forgot about us. Yeah, see, I knew it. I knew it. You took my half slow saves. Jenny and I, right? Not Jenny and the dancing person. Yeah, I'm about ready. I'm for sure about ready. It's 3:30 in the morning. Yeah, I'm definitely tired. I hope you guys have an amazing night. Thanks for hanging out, obviously, and doing this. Sorry for having out recognition. Need hubby's help tomorrow. Made mirrors. Oh no, all the way up. Oh no. No, thanks. I appreciate it. Honestly, thank you. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. 4:30 for you. Wow. Hopefully, Dov. Hopefully, hopefully it's something pretty quick and get perfection out of it. Yeah, having a good night. Have an amazing night. Thanks, appreciate it. Thanks, Dobbs, Amanda, Jenny. I appreciate y'all, honestly. Has a good try and good test. Always fun to see how other platforms work. Yeah, sounds great. I'll chat to y'all later. 4:30 there too, yeah. Alright, night, y'all.